photogenic, we call on our judge, Marianita Pao.
Yung mga kakilala niyong kabayan. Di ba marami sila kakilala dito?
Let's take a look on our candidates. Who do you think is our Mr. and Miss Photogenic?
Mga kamay nila pang
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Photogenic for Miss Intrams is the representative again of the
seniors!
Miss H. Magal. How about for our Miss Photogenic? Now, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Photogenic for our Miss Intrams is the representative of what juniors? The representative of the juniors, Miss Pilar Nuno. And to give the award, we call on the advisor and parent or guardian. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our best in sportswear. Who do you think? Our best in sportswear for Mr. Intrams is number 1 daw. How about that fourth? Number 3. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our best in sportswear for Mr. Intrams is again the representative of the seniors. Number 1 daw. And our best in sportswear for Miss Intrams is again the representative of the seniors. And for the major award,
What team ba? What team?
2009. Who do you think is our Mr. Intrams? Huwag daw sabi ng mga seniors. Miss Intrams. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Intrams 2009 is Raymond. Please update now the scores.
What seniors?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Intrams 2009.
It's a video.
Miss Intrams. Again, our judging, we have the sportswear, which is 50%. Intrams 2009 gold i-update na po yung scores. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Intrams 2009 is Marian Micaela